Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig install, and this is actually a transparent lace wig. I know I do a lot of HD lace wig, but considering this is transparent, she looks pretty good. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this wig from start to finish, and it's pretty detailed. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's jump right into the tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be wearing Arabella hair. This will be my first time using their wig, so make sure you check out any other reviews on this hairline. So I'm going to unbox this right now. Well, I already did, but I'm just going to do it on camera. So you pretty much have all your essentials that you need for applying your wig. We have 2 wig caps, and as you can see, I already have one on, and also a edge brush right here, which is a must, I find, with wigs. I also have a melting band here, which is a must for melting down the lace. So we're definitely be using all the stuff here. Maybe not the edge brush because I don't really do baby hairs, and we also have some lashes. I'm gonna do my makeup later. I just did my, kind of did my eyes. Let me show you guys what the wig looks like. Okay, so we have it in this bag right here, and I'm just gonna open this up. I absolutely love this color. It's chocolate brown, and what I love about it, it's like a nice chestnut brown. It might show up a little bit more with red tones on the camera, but I feel like in real life, it doesn't really have as much red tones. And I don't really love when brown have too much red tones in it, if that makes sense. This is what she's looking like. And it is a 13x4 lace wig, 26 inches. And we also have some combs on the top of it, which I'm gonna remove because I don't use that. And luckily there's none on the side, so I don't have to remove that. We have one on the back, and the cap is a very thin dome cap, and this is what the cap looks like as well. You also have the elastic band here to make adjustment to your wigs. Actually, is this a 13x6? It could be, but all the info for the wig will be in the description box down below. I absolutely love how this hair feels. It feels so good, and it's straight hair, so we're gonna be rocking a straight style today probably. Now, before I pop this wig on my head, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the comb on the top part of the wig because I definitely don't have any use for that whatsoever, and I don't really want the comb poking me in the top of my head either. I don't know, I don't really love combs. I find them very annoying. The only one that I use is in the back. I've always mentioned this to you guys. Now, I will say that the lace has a little bit of a tan. Hopefully it's not too dark for my skin tone. I personally prefer when my lace is just transparent and I can just tint it myself. However, if the lace is a little darker than my skin tone, then it's a lot harder for me to hide the lace. So let's hope this works out. I mean, when I put my foundation on, it will, in my contour, will definitely help a little. I know, that looks a little crazy. She's sitting a little high. All right, this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. This is it. This is how she's looking. I love the texture of this hair. It feels so soft, and I'm just gonna clip it out of the way though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create a bit of a center part, and I'm just gonna pull this out like so. I would recommend actually using a hot comb after you part it. That way the part is like not looking like my part because right now this part does not look good because I need to use the hot iron to kind of train the wig. You guys know what I mean, right? Now you could just tweeze it with your tweezer. It doesn't really need a lot of tweezing, but I'm very like particular when it comes to my hairline. So even though it's pre-plucked, I do feel like I have to kind of clean up the hairline just a tad bit to suit me. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my scissors and I'm gonna cut sections into my lace, and I'm just gonna cut the front first, like right here. You could just apply your glue all the way and then cut your lace. Nice and clean. Now we're gonna move on to the other side, but I'm just gonna do that side off camera. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and glue this wig on, and my wig cap is kind of lifting, but excuse that. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply some glue onto the forehead. And do you see where I put it? Right here, not on my hairline. I don't like my wigs to be like low. That's optional. You can have it lower if you want to. I don't have a lot of forehead space. and it looks really weird when I pull it down. It just don't look good. I'm cleaning my comb off, my rat tail comb off, before I apply any more glue to my forehead, and give that some time to dry. Once it's dry clear, then you're gonna go ahead and pull the lace down. So we're gonna give that some time to dry. And this is the glue that I'm using, my Sticky Little Secret lace glue, which is by me. So all the info for all my products will be listed in the description box down below. It is super strong hold as well. Go in with my blow dryer just to melt down this lace. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna cut off this extra lace because I don't need it. Before I cut, I wanna make sure this hairline is still gonna be looking great. Okay, so we're all glued down here, and what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and melt down this wig before I apply the melting spray. So I'm gonna go in with the melting band now. Now I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna take my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm just going to all over the hairline to melt it down. So we're gonna be doing the double melt method today. And as for the tinting spray, I'm gonna be using this one today. Squirts everywhere, so it's best to use a brush to apply it, so I'm kind of being lazy. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my melting spray as well. And personally, I prefer to use a brush to apply this, but I'm gonna use my finger today, and you really don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. Now I'm going in with the blow dryer in the cool setting. Then I put the melting band on, leave it on for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten down that wig. And I also use a wax stick as well. So it's definitely optional to add baby hairs. I'm just going to add a little, just a little at the sides. And I'm going in with that eyebrow razor. And this is pretty much the completed look. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I love the color. And let me know what you guys think of this wig as well. All the hair info will be listed in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.